In this video, I'm going to show you my 5-step method to get rid of roaches, right? So you don't have to do it no more. So you don't have to think about what to do no more. All right, so let's get into it. Step 1 is spot the source. Spot the source, meaning locate exactly where they're coming from, coming out of, not where they're nesting technically, but where the most roaches are actively at, right? Finding a nest is probably the most important thing, but sometimes they're behind walls. I know how hard that is sometimes, but trying to figure out exactly where the hot places are is your goal. Is your goal throughout your whole home. That's all you got to do. Look around, but oh, it's more here. Oh, it's more here. There's nothing in this room, so probably not. That's all you got to do. Figure out exactly where they are and note that down. That's just the first step. Step 2, where they are, eliminate their environment. Is there a lot of clutter in that area? If it is, clean that up. Books stacked up in the corner? No, move that. Clothes piles? Throw that in the pamper. Wash it. Food, laying on the ground, crumbs, anything, clean that up. Water sitting out? No water, no food bowls, no water bowls. Everything has to be clean. The garbage cans cleaned out. The garbage and the dumpster. Everything you use to eat, they eat. So we want to stop them from eating and drinking. Now, I'm not saying that you cleaning and doing this is going to get rid of them. It's not. Why? Some people think if I clean, they're going to go away. No, that's not how that works. Roaches actually eat the dead roaches and feces of other roaches to survive. So you cleaning is not going to do anything. I'm telling you to clean right now so we can have a clean slate. So when we do implement the next step, it'll be very easy for the roaches to take it, right? Which leads me to step 3, implement the chemicals, or my word, solutions to your problem, right? So there's 3 things you really want. You want a bait, an IGR, and a non-repellent spray, right? And for baits, you want 2 baits. For the simple reason is you want to alternate the baits so they don't get resistant to it and tired of it, because roaches will do that. So you want 2 baits. I prefer an IGR bait and a non-IGR bait. IGR is just instant growth regulator. You can place it down and it just stops them from growing, and you switch it out with a quick knockdown as well. You want 2 baits to alternate them. Another thing, you want an IGR. Like I said, instant growth regulator. It stops it from growing. There's pads, there's jars. You can pour in your spray. You want to mix it together. There's multiple ways you can use IGR. I just use the jar one. It's more of my style, so I just use that one. Then, like I said, a non-repellent spray, a WXG. Alpine is a very good one. You can use that one to spray around the areas that you marked in your mind where they're actively at. You want to do that. You want to mark it down. Once you do that, you want to place some glue boards around, not close to the bait, just in the room, so you can monitor their activity and see if they're living or dying in a sense. And that's what the next step is. Step 4, you want to note the difference. You want to note everything that's happening. Are they taking the bait? How's the spray? How's the spray reacting to them? Is it going down? Is it going up? What is it doing? We want to be a detective to figure out what's going on so we can change accordingly. And that's all you're doing. You just want to note the difference and just keep going, right? Which is the next step, is keep going. Keep going is just you treating, note, treat, note, treat, note, treat, right? And how frequently you treat, that really depends on the situation you're in. And I can't tell you that personally, because I don't want to tell you to treat more when you don't need to, or treat less when you do need to. You're not going to come at me for that. So, but if you do need that, I have a free community downstairs, down in the description below. You can go in there, ask me, how bad is this? What should I do? And I answer you for you. But that's literally my 5-step process. It's literally simple. It's literally see where they're coming from, clean that area up, treat that area, note what's going on, and just keep going. That's it. Stink. I call it stink. That's all it is. And like I said, if you need help with anything of that, the community be down below. Join it. I'll be there. See ya.